welcome to Excel Quick and Dirty. Today we're going to be going through how to do a VLOOKUP. So as you can see on the screen, I've got a bunch of random data here that we're going to be using for today's example. IDs, names, account types, account codes, and membership start dates. So we're going to go over to our other tab. And today we're going to be looking for the account code based on some of these IDs here. So number one thing we need to check for a VLOOKUP is what are we going to use for our unique ID, which are in both areas. So of course here we've got to be using the IDs, which are here, which will match the IDs that are in this column over there. And today we're going to be trying to pull out the account codes from the other tab that relate to the corresponding ID here. So first we're going to go equals VLOOKUP. Click on our unique ID here, comma, let's go over to our other sheet where they are. Alright, so we need to make sure that our unique ID is in the first column, which it is. So we're going to highlight those, and of course we're looking at the account code today, so we need to pull it all the way over to the account code column, and let's drop it to the bottom. Now we need to make sure that we lock our rows and our columns here, because as we pull it down in the next part, we need to make sure that these rows and columns don't move down as well. So let's do that. Now, which column index number are we looking at here? So basically we need to count across how many columns is it until we are finding what we need, which is the account code. So that's the fourth column along, so all we need to do is put a number 4. And are we looking for an exact match of the unique ID or an approximate one? Today we're looking for an exact match, so we need to put false or a 0. I'm going to close my bracket and press enter. And as you can see here, it's pulled over the account code for that ID. Now I'm going to pull it down to get the account code for the remainder of the IDs, and there you go. So I hope that tutorial today has helped you out, and remember to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks coming in the future. Thank you.